Most anglers or fishing hobbyists sailed out into the ocean for more than a day for Boaters Unlimited's first fishing tournament.
Okay.
The participants braved the scorching heat and even kept awake till the wee hours of dawn to get the trophy fish or the heaviest catch, which was worth 50,000 pesos.
Nice one! One down, one down! One down!
Before the send-off event at 6:30 a.m. of June 5, a formal gathering was held the night before to welcome all participants.
The purpose of the event is to cater the idea of the Boaters Unlimited to have their first sports fishing event.
So as mentioned earlier, we have two categories. We have the boaters category. If the camera can see, we have some boats and yachts around us. They are the boaters category. Then we have the non-boaters category, which are using the regular palm boats or the outriggers. Those that are used usually in the island hopping boats. So those are the two categories we have. Each category will have a different set of prices as mentioned.
The event was also supported by the Lapu-Lapu city government, which takes pride in the biodiversity of its seas.
The rich and diverse marine ecosystem in Lapu-Lapu City is a testament of our successful efforts in protecting and preserving the environment and its natural resources.
The participants returned to the shores in the afternoon of June 6, and an awarding ceremony capped off the event. Other prizes were given according to the weight and species of the fishes caught. This has been Nelson Delmar for MyTV Cebu.